Echidna antics, watch these spiky marvels dig and dine.
Explore Echidna's diverse homes, from forests to deserts. Meet the Echidna, nature's blend of toughness and charm. Discover the Echidna's fascinating diet of ants and termites. Dive into the hidden, solitary world of nocturnal echidnas. Witness the miracle of echidna birth and puggle nurturing. Explore how echidnas balance ecosystems by controlling insect populations. Delve into efforts helping echidnas survive amid growing threats. Explore echidna's revered place in Aboriginal mythology and culture.